saw a shadow leap today. It danced like it had something to say. Long legs, short stride. It disappeared where the sun would hide. Bouncing shadows on the wall, jumping big then shrinking small. Do they run or do they crawl? Bouncing shadows, that's all. That's all. A flicker here, a flash of there. They race the wind without a care, stretching wide, folding thin. Where do they start? Where do I begin? Bouncing shadows on the wall, jumping big then shrinking small. We built our world with paper walls, a kingdom small that stands so tall. Tape and glue hold dreams in place, a fragile throne in a boundless space. Cardboard castles in the sky, they'll fall, but we still try. Cutting clouds with scissors, high cardboard castles, we can't say goodbye. Markers draw the stars we see, bent and folded destiny. Rain might come to wash it thin, but we'll rebuild, we'll start again. We're kings and queens of make-believe. The crowns we wear are torn from sleeves. A cardboard crown still feels like soul bends, it sways, it leans, held together by childhood dreams. And when it falls, we'll laugh, we'll cry. Cardboard castles will still reach the sky. Cardboard castles in the sky, they'll fall, but we still try. Cutting clouds with scissors, high cardboard castles, we can't say goodbye. Sipping stars in a porcelain cup. The galaxy swirls as the steam rises up. A sugar cube moon melts slow in my dream. Who knew the cosmos could help me think? Cosmic coffee keeps me alive. Sip the universe, feel the vibe. Black hole, rose or nebula blend. Pour another round, let the space-time bend. The barista's a comet with a fiery tail. She brews the Milky Way in a stainless pail. I stir with a spoon made of Saturn's ring. Every sip makes my soul wanna sing. Gravity's pulling the foam just right. I'm floating in caffeine through the endless night. Cosmic coffee keeps me alive. Sip the universe, feel the vibe. Black hole, rose or nebula blend. Pour another round, let the space-time bend. Pour it strong, pour it deep. Stir my dreams, don't let me sleep. Stars in my cup, spinning fast. Every go takes me to the past. Cosmic coffee keeps me alive. Sip the universe, feel the vibe. Black hole, rose or nebula blend. Pour another round, let the space-time bend. up whispers in the quiet sun, spinning tales of where it's been. Handle crack, but still it holds dreams of porcelain within. Echoes of a teacup calling me, fragile but it holds eternity. Sip the sky, sip the sea, echoes of a teacup calling me. Chipped edges hum a lullaby, memories brewed in amber streams. Leaves unfold in spirals wide, a tempest swirling in its seams. Who first held you steady? Who first felt your warmth? Stories trapped in your hollow heart. A storm lives where you were born. Echoes of a teacup calling me, fragile but it holds eternity. Sip the sky, sip the sea, echoes of a teacup calling me. In your quiet curve the world resides, a vessel of whispers in ancient tides. Echoes of a teacup calling me, fragile but it holds infinity. I caught a whisper in the wind today, said the clouds were tired of floating gray. They spilled their color, just let it fly. Now we're living under lemonade skies. Lemonade skies, oh so sweet. Every step feels like a heartbeat. Sip the moment, let it rise. We're dancing under lemonade skies. The sun's a painter, the moon's a thief, stealing shadows, leaving disbelief. The trees are swaying, they're keeping time to the rhythm of these lemonade skies. What's the recipe for this place? A pinch of wonder, a dash of space. Mix it up, take a sip, close your eyes. Feel the magic of lemonade skies. Lemonade skies, oh so sweet. Every step feels like a heartbeat. Sip the moment, let it rise. We're dancing under lemonade skies. Till we meet under lemonade skies. One sock in the washer, gone to the void. The other left behind like a forgotten toy. I search the corners, I check the floor, but where do they vanish? Is there a sock war? Lost socks, where do you go? To a land of fluff or a laundry black hole. Lost socks, slipping away, leaving me stranded on laundry day. The moonlight whispers secrets in the dark. A lone sock hiding under the park. Did it grow feet and run from the heat? Or is it out there dancing to a cosmic beat? Round and round the dryer spins, but the mystery's where the story begins. Lost socks, where do you go? Black hole. Lost socks, slipping away, leaving me stranded on laundry day. Maybe they're plotting a sock rebellion. Tired of matching, they crave dominion. Or maybe they're just free-spirited souls, living life outside the laundry bowl. Lost socks, where do you go? To a land of fluff or a laundry black hole. Lost socks, slipping away, leaving me stranded on laundry day. see trouble I can't withstand. Peel it back, the moonlight grins, sticky sweet where it begins. Oh, midnight mangoes, they got the glow, dripping secrets only they know. Oh, midnight mangoes, let's take it slow. Bite the night and steal the show. Dancing shadows on the street, rhythms tangled, can't feel my feet. Golden nectar slides so slick, a fruity kiss, a cosmic trick. Do you hear it hum? The night beats its strum. Oh, midnight mangoes, they got the glow, dripping secrets only they know. Oh, midnight mangoes, let's take it slow. Bite the night and steal the show. Peachy skies and citrus lights, stars explode like fireflies. In my palm, this world unfolds, a mango's heart, a tale untold. Found a penny on the street today, wish for a world that wouldn't fade away. The sidewalk cracked, it whispered back, do you ever think we're tiny? Do you ever think we're bright? Pocket full of stars, I keep them in my hand, catch them in a jar, light up where I stand. Pocket full of stars, they're mine, they're mine. Through the telephone wire, said, hey kid, you're playing with fire. But I smiled, said I'll take my chances. I'm holding galaxies in a coat with torn seams. What's heavier, the sky or the weight of your dreams? Pocket full of stars, I keep them in my hand, catch 'em in a jar, light up where I stand, pocket full of stars. They're mine, they're mine. Paper boat on a restless stream, chasing the clouds in a daydream, skipping stones like skipping time. I'm tangled in the breeze, lost but feeling free. No map, no plan, just me. With a broken string, flying where the wild birds sing. Every twist feels like a choice. The sun dips low, the shadows grow. I'm tangled in in a jar so big, it felt so small. One lonely beam, the last of them all. Colors faded, but it's still sweet. A tiny treasure I can't defeat. Round and bright, it holds the fight. A sugary dream in the dead of night. The last It's a rainbow world, but it's all alone. A carnival trapped in a candy zone. Do I keep it for a rainy day, or let temptation lead the way? Spinning, spinning in my hand, a little piece of candy land. To eat or not, I just don't know. This sweet dilemma steals the show. The last jelly bean, oh what a scene, caught in between my craving machine. Should I save it? Should I eat it? Oh, this moment feels so heated. I had 2 socks this morning light. One was left and one was right. Now I'm stuck in a mismatched fight. Where do they go, those runaway socks? Do they walk on out or pick the locks? The dryer spins and takes its toll. One sock left and it stole my soul. I've searched the basket, I've checked the floor, behind the couch and out the door. But that lone sock won't come back no more. Maybe it's living a secret life, dancing free without its strife. Where do they go, those runaway socks? Do they walk on out or pick the locks? The dryer spins and takes in its toll. One sock left and it stole my soul. Is there a party where socks unite under the moon and the pale starlight? Or is it lost in a world unknown? wanted sitting by the subway door, handle cracked and colors worn, a warrior of the rain. Took it home, but it didn't fold, rusty ribs and a story untold. Who left you here in the storm? Is property of Jay, but no address, no phone, no way. Just a mystery in my hand. You smell like streets and diesel air, held you tight, felt the city's despair. A broken hero, you still stay. They leave you out. It's a laundry day mystery, a vanishing act so slippery. One sock here, the other gone, like a magician's trick at dawn. Where's my sock? Where did it go? One's on my foot, the other's no show. Under the bed or in the drain, the missing sock drives me insane. Could it be in the washing machine's lair? A portal to another dimension, I swear. did it elope with a rival shoe, leaving me with this sockless blues. I search the basket, I search the floor. Every time it's a sock cold war. Where's my sock? Where'd it go? One's on my foot, the other's no show. Under the bed or in the drain, the missing sock drives me insane. Maybe it's sipping tea in France or leading a sock rebellion dance. Whatever it's doing, I hope it's free. Why'd it have to run from me? Who steals an umbrella? Who takes the shade on a cloudy day? All the plans they've made, rain's pouring down. My head's exposed, soaked to my bones. Where'd my shelter go? Umbrella thief, you quick, you're sly. Umbrella thief, you're dry, I'm aware. You danced in the rain while I stood in grief. Oh, why, you umbrella thief? Was it the red one with the polka dots? Or the striped one I bought from the corner shop? You took my cover, left me the storm. Now I'm walking wet, you're walking warm. Drip, drop, drip, my shoes complain. Flip, flop, flip, you're laughing again. Umbrella thief, you could work your sly. Umbrella thief, you're dry, I'm white. You danced in the rain while I stood in grief. Oh, you umbrella thief. street. Umbrella thief, you quake your slide. Umbrella thief, you're drive away. You danced in the rain while I stood in grief. Oh, why, you umbrella thief, you umbrella